Hello guys, here is another my vlog. Today I purchased two camera because from long time I was looking for the cameras, CCTV cameras, but I was not getting smart Wi-Fi cameras. These are the smart cameras. This one I purchased, that is usually $99 and I purchased only for 29. This is usually 99 as well, but I purchased in $39, 39 and 50, let's say $40. This is the model is newer. This is the model is older, but they don't have a big difference in the working. They just work like both same way. There's no any difference. Uh, the, um, the the best thing on these cameras, like, they just need the power cord, and that's all they need. You can see here you can connect them through Wi-Fi. You can easily fish your wire through the wall, and through the wall it just let's say this wall outside, I put it one camera on that wall and just fish down the wall, and here is the plugs, and I can easily plug in there. I can just make a small hole on the bottom, and I will show you, because I did not connect it here, I connected in the other area. I will show you later on. Let me tell you the specialty of this camera. This is smart Wi-Fi, motion detection, night vision, waterproof. And also it can connect through the Google and Alexa. You can use those apps too. I already did all the setup, and it was very easy and how to install them. This is the way you can. Sorry, it's just not telling how to install them. These are just the flexibility and the controls on that. Okay, so here is again. It's waterproof, control from anywhere, and night vision as well. It's really good though. I just checked at the night, and here is the other options. Okay, so it says keep watch outdoor, get alert when there is movement at the home, share access and see what's happening even in the dark. Same thing again, and nothing special here. The technical specs are here. 125 degree angle, 1080 is the and waterproof, IP65, Wi-Fi, only 2.4 gigahertz, not compatible with 5. I have to change it. I was trying to do it, but I did not look that. And also mobile devices running ISO 9 or higher, Android 5.0 and higher, and Genie app you can use with that, the Genie app. And mounting kit, which I did not use it. I just directly mount on the siding. I just used 1-inch screws, and that was more than enough. And it has a power and reset cable as well. Power adapter, user manual, smartphone not included. Okay, so let me take you outside and show you how I have installed here. Here is the night vision is on because it's night now. Here is night vision, sorry. And here is this small slot. I will show you. Here you can plug in the memory card and reset button, and you can lock back again. Sorry, my child is just, as you can see, the night vision is on. It's 8 p.m. right now, and it's just as you can see, that's the area has been covered by this camera. I fish the wire through here. I run through behind that siding. It's coming from there, and you can see it. The camera is right here. The wire is coming. My baby is just rocking, and then go into the sitting room. I just put some silicone here, and there's another internet wire is going through it. I'll let you take you to the room. Okay, so I fished through the wire here. It's coming from here. Here is the wire plug here. You can see it here. So the process was very simple. And then just you download the Genie app and okay, so $40 and I am alive. It was very simple process, and at the app you follow 3 steps. I did not made a video for that, but I will include at the end of my video. I use this model. The result is really good. I did not use this model right now. I'm planning to install on the right side of my building because a lot of theft is going on in my area. People are stealing bicycles. I already lose my kids 4 bikes, and I don't want to lose more bikes. So that's it for the day. It's a Merkury, and the model number is CW020, and this model number is CW053. Okay, perfect. So that's all. This is my so far I am happy, but the only problem with that is no recording. It send you the detection link, and the motion detecting, I enabled the motion detected, but it bothers you a lot of the time. So I'm planning to install that up in a spare phone, and that's what I'm planning. Okay, thank you.